Hey everyone, welcome to guide on how to order Uber Eats bag online. Let's get started. Ordering your Uber Eats bag. Alright, let's dive right in and learn how to order your Uber Eats bag online. First, open your web browser and search for Uber Eats Shop. You'll find the official store website as the first result. Once you're on the Uber Eats Shop website, you'll see a variety of items. Look for Bags under Shop the Collection and click on it. Here, you'll find different delivery bags available. Take your time to explore the options and choose the one that fits your needs best. After selecting your bag, review the details to make sure it's the right choice. When you're satisfied, click Add to Cart. A pop-up will appear, click View Cart, then proceed to click Checkout. Enter your personal information and select your preferred payment method. Finally, after filling out all the details, click Pay Now to complete your order. That's it. You've successfully ordered your Uber Eats bag. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.